Alright guys, so we did it, another day of summer school. I hope that you really enjoyed it. I hope you didn't get annoyed at me doing my hashtag, which I like. And some of you might know actually where I got that from. I got that from a show that's on Netflix. And that's where I got it from. So if you have heard of it, put in the link below. It was pretty entertaining. Anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys hanging with me and drawing with me and learning. And I love being here. I love kind of sharing what I know, because I've just been drawing forever, many years traditionally and now digitally. I love it, and I love Procreate. So thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you in the group. Thank you, Kristen. Thank you, all of the other mods and everyone who put all this together, all the other artists. I don't think of you guys as competition. I think of you guys as like my family, you know, like it's really tough, and it's a lot of work to make tutorials and put them on YouTube and put them on all the social media, and to do all this stuff. It's very difficult. So much respect to all of the other tutorial artists and just artists sharing what they know, because it's not easy, especially, you know, if you're working professionally, if you have jobs and things like that. We don't really have a lot of time to do art for ourselves, but it is very rewarding to just share what we know with new artists or new Procreate artists and just wonderful artists that are out there in this group. So again, my name is Dave Reed, Instagram.com/Dave Reed, username Dave Reed, YouTube, my username is Dave Reed, TikTok, my username is Dave Reed, and please check out my Skillshare. I have some really more slow-paced courses where we go through everything and we make some really great stuff in Procreate. I have about 11 classes now, and I'll probably I have to make another one. Maybe I'll make one or two before the end of the year. So please join me there and sign up for my classes. They're a lot of fun. But again, thank you guys, and I will see you in the next summer school. All right. Hashtag summer school. See you in the next one. Oh, no. Keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.
You win.
Oh, it's so hot. I'm dying. Oh, so nice with the AC on. Hashtag.
Hmm.